Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram page isn't available right now. So if you are facing the same issue, I will show you how to fix this. So for this, first of all, you just have to tap and hold on this Instagram and go for this app info and tap on this storage. And now you will see this option clear data. Tap on this clear data and tap on this clear cache. Click OK and now again tap on it and this time tap on clear data and click OK. After doing this, just go back and tap on this app permissions, and now you have to make sure that all the permissions are allowed. As you can see this calendar, tap on allow, location, and just allow all the applications to Instagram. After doing this, just go back and open the App Store or Play Store depending on your device, and in the search bar just search for Instagram, and you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram application. If there is any update, just make sure to update and then open it up and your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.